Hugo Bruce is killing our football. Hugo Bruce is killing Bafana Bafana. Ayikho lento ayenzayo lo muntu lo. Ayikho indaba yakhe, and nyawuzwa abantu abaningi banalento ukuthi but Hugo Bruce has done this, has done that for Bafana Bafana. He's done fuck all for Bafana Bafana. Akaka win anything Hugo Bruce ne Bafana Bafana. All he's done is reach a semi-final AFCON 2023 waphuma ne bronze. Ayikho into achievile ne Bafana Bafana. Even in 2023 when Bafana Bafana made it to the semi-finals of the Africa Cup of Nations, it was Rulani Mukwena's team. All he did was copy and paste. He literally took a team yaga Rulani Mukwena, Aibeka ku Bafana Bafana, and those guys delivered because those guys were playing good football under their coach Orlando Mukwena. With the recent AFCON, what he did, he tried a copy and paste of what's happening in Orlando Pirates, and then it didn't work for him. Hugo Bruce hasn't done anything for our football. All he's ever done ever since Hugo Bruce like South Africa is disrespect our players, is disrespect our football, and into ayenzi lukubulali confidence ama player maning. Where's Thembi Nkosi today? Where's Pesitao today? Where's Thapelo Morena today? Now ngobe sekathuqeda nangomshishi manje, but yet no choice but to call him back because uyabona ukuthi there's no number 10 better than umshishi, so he has no chance but to call him back. Question is he even gonna play him njengoba mbizile? And now the biggest question is, where's Sipho Chain kule squad lesaka Hugo Bruce? Where is Ikram Reyners kule squad saka Hugo Bruce? Where is Thapelo Morena kule squad saka Hugo Bruce? Players who have an actual impact. Ama player who are playing well for their teams. Hugo Bruce akababizi. Sipho Chain has a record enkulu ama clean sheet this season. Ikram Reyners is on top of a premiership ngama goal. Thapelo Morena plays a very big role kuma Mamelodi Sundowns. He can play as a right back, he can play as a right wing, he can play right yonke. He knows how to push up and he knows how to come back. Hugo Bruce ubona kahle ukuthi akangambizi, ubona kahle ukuthi akamdingi, and then lama statement lawa wa releaseayo ku media, it's very disrespectful. I mean, how can a coach efana no Hugo Bruce, a national team coach noqala, ahambe aye ku social media ayokhuluma lento ayikhulumile ngolokho? I mean, ahamba aye ku media ayokhuluma lento ayikhulumile ngoSipho Mbule. He thought Sipho Mbule was going to be the replacement for Themba Zwane, but he's not consistent. He's not getting enough game time. Go Orlando Pirates. When the season started last season, when Rulani Mukwena had just left Mamelodi Sundowns, I remember Mangoba Mniti took over as the interim coach ku Mamelodi Sundowns, and he wasn't playing Utebuho Mukwena and he wasn't playing Kuriso Mudau, but Hugo Bruce wababiza for a qualifier. He called them for the qualifiers and they started the game and they finished the game, but now that Sipho Mbule is not getting enough game time, it doesn't make sense. Sipho Chain has been outstanding for Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, amagola wa consider ama mistake wa defend uzoyenzani. If ama defender enza ama mistake, abonkosi nathi sibisi benza ama mistake angasile lapha Orlando Pirates, but he's in the squad. Sipho Chain is not in that squad. Abonkosi nathi sibisi banama mistake amaningi, but Grant Kekana is not in that squad. Abonkosi nathi sibisi bayavuza basikhostile ku AFCON, but Grant Kekana is still not in that squad. Kanti Hugo Bruce ufunani? Hugo Bruce ufunani? I'm even shocked ukuthi nabantu abahlala naye lapha nabamsiza ngeselection ye team bathulile badedela lo mkhulu lona enza intando yakhe lapha kuBafana Bafana. I don't know how far Bafana Bafana is gonna go ngale team le Hugo Bruce ekethile, and then akhona bayodlala against Panama back to back. Kanti when do we take ourselves serious as a national team? When do we take ourselves serious as a football fraternity in South Africa? When sivuka nini sithathe serious? Like iPanama izosenzelana. Yeah, they're in the World Cup, so what? They're not gonna go any far ndokwabona labo. Play against ama team acacile. Test your players. Dlala ne Brazil, dlala ne Argentina, dlala ne France. Play against England, play against Spain. Young team yase Spain. Labafana mabagijima against Lamine Yamal. Let your defenders be tested. Hugo Bruce meaning noticeably asaba ukutestiwa. That's why even before AFCON he opted to play against Ghana. That's not even in the AFCON. While other countries were playing against our team, alentoza serious. Hugo Bruce bafeta kahambe. Yeah, noma ngahamba manje World Cup ingakaqali. We'll make it. We'll manage. South Africa has always played without him. And South Africans, don't be fooled. Nitia Marayana Wafika was qualified iseli AFCON. Hey, kwakudlala ma player a promote Rulani lapaya. Kwakudlala ma player be coach Rulani, I mean to say. Bekudlala ma player lapha Rulani knew what he was doing lapha Mamelodi Sundowns. He had a strong solid team. That's why we qualified for the AFCON. Sipho Mbule played a big role ngama qualifier World Cup. Mhankota played a big role ngama qualifier World Cup. Bakuphi namhlanje? Ngoba Bafana seya ku World Cup Hugo Bruce ubona kahle ukuthi abiza abanye abantu. Uthengiselela abafana labo Talon Smith, labafana laba abancane uTalon Smith no Campbell amaphupho la. He sold them dreams. Abathatha bayisa AFCON for experience. Now they have to go to the World Cup. Akasababizi labafana laba. He doesn't know what he wants. Akayazi. Clearly there's favoritism lapha bafana, and there are players who will never do wrong. Emehlweni waka Hugo Bruce. Why angashiyanga uRonwen Williams? Why angashiyanga uRonwen Williams unama mistake? We saw what Ronwen Williams did in the Club World Cup. Unama mistake uRonwen Williams, but in front of Hugo Bruce's eyes is perfect. Akanaphutha. Ubhizi usibizelana noYaya la. Yaya, what has Yaya done for the national team? What has Yaya done for the national team? And this is no hate to the players, because siyanazi ninantando katekana, you hating on the players, you hating on the players. We love our football. We want to see our country do well. That's why sikhuluma so. Uyaya ikinto yenzayo for Bafana. There are players who play in the Betway Premiership who play position Yaya 10 times better than Uyaya. Uyaya hasn't done fuck all for Bafana. Hugo Bruce maru loyal uyambiza. Hugo Bruce loyal uyambiza ulibele busy nini. Uthi I want to see Lina. Okay, sharp. You want to see Lina on and off the pitch. So you telling me ukuthi one game uLina uzodlala, one game ufuna ukumbona ukuthi uLina unjani lapha ebenchini. I mean, all right. If uthi ufuna ukubona uLina susu Gos. Ricardo Gos is not better than Sipho Chain. It's not an opinion, it's a fact. Ricardo Gos is not better than Lina. Ricardo Gos is not better than uRonwen Williams. He's not. Ugos huyu umuntu bekumele usele lapha. Just because of one beautiful performance against Orlando Pirates manje all of a sudden seka hero. Abathe bangimure mina bophela bebasha ama finder lapha ya. Bebangafuna ukora. Sibonile nanawo mfethu aboyanela mbuthuma bashaya i10 uGos uyavimba. If iswelele bedlala against Mamelodi Sundowns lapho uTebogo Mokoena bekamphoboza. Leon beka imboboza. So don't tell me that performance against Orlando Pirates is the one that earned him a place in the national team. Akadlalanga fokol lapha ayikho le nto leya. And we also have to be honest. Masibheka nama wing lawa like Hugo Bruce, honestly sometimes ubiza uElias Mukwana. Sinenini Mukwana akekho. Sinenini ubiza lo. Sinenini I honestly don't understand ukuthi kuhlalwe kanjani kwahlelwa laphayana and then the team was chosen. So now he's talking about inconsistency from Sipho Mbule. He's not getting enough game time at Pirates. And I like the fact that Uyashuti doesn't know why Mbule hasn't been playing at Pirates. Maragambiz. But when certain players are not getting enough game time, he was once loyal to Unyiko Mobi. Unyiko Mobi was playing poor football. Marabegambiz ambege lapu Hugo Bruce. Hugo Bruce is the one that promised to Sipho Mbule in the Squad World Cup, and all he said was that it's up to him whether he's going to the World Cup or not. He didn't say it's up to how much game time he gets at Orlando Pirates. He didn't say that. And if we are calling players based on form, based on merit, Grant Kekan. Grant Kekan is one of the most solid centre backs we have in the league. Ikram Reynas is the leading goal scorer ku PSL Konamanje. Definitely better than Lyle Foster, better than Evidence Mahuba also. Ubahlula boyithu Ikram Reynas. Mawufuna striker semali, lethal striker baba umuntu othi makangena shaya ngaphakathi. Uthatha uIkram Reynas. That's the one player that you need to play. So Hugo Bruce angazolibela pisa sizela ngama excuses ngawazi. Wadelela la delela nombokazi akhuluma izinto ezingasile. Now he goes to the media ukhuluma ngoSipho Chain. Hey, but this is not a charity. What is he trying to say? If City Tina sifuna the best for the national team, good players have to play. He must also explain Peterson why he hasn't been calling Peterson. Asale, a lot of players that Chiefs have been off form. Maru Peterson has been important for Chiefs. Peterson bafethu udlalile indima enkulu for Kaizer Chiefs. Kwayena bekumela explain ukuthi bekumela asho ukuthi no, the only reason esingambizanga is because of ulimelo whatever. Bekumela khulume. And he must also answer why abizana noNkosinathi Sibisi. Unkosinathi Sibisi has been costing Orlando Pirates. He's been costing Orlando Pirates. He went and costed Bafana siku AFCON uNkosinathi Sibisi. Unkosinathi Sibisi has been off form. Asulo uNkosinathi Sibisi wala season low, we need defend of the season. Kule season has been poor. Unkosinathi Sibisi. He has been poor kule season. Marnang kuBafana. And Hugo Bruce is probably going to play him and is probably going to start him. We have a hard-working soldiers. Abantu that can carry in national team yethu. Abantu abangafukuza, abantu abalambile, people who are hungry who will fight for the national team. Uphi Batusi Obas, because Batusi Obas is definitely better than Uyaya. Where's Batusi Obas? Now Bambizi because he's not getting enough game time with Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns win a competition inning. But remember, not all players that play for Mamelodi Sundowns are South African. Abo Allende are not South African. So it means Allende is getting more game time ahead of Batusi Obas because in the eyes of coach, when Mamelodi Sundowns Allende uyobalekile, that's why bangaphi Obas enough game time. Now, question then comes, lapha ku number 10, well, Tito's not there, Sipho Mbule is not there, kuno Thembazwane, kuno Mfokeng. Will he play Thembazwane? Will he play uThembazwane? Will he play Mfokeng? Uzodlala bani? Lesa squad lesana is not promising. Asina ma player athanda ukushoota lapha. Mfokeng clearly akathanda ukushoota. Mfokeng uthanda lamagoli antswembu la offense abo tossing and turning. We are not saying bangambize squadini, but Mfokeng akusumuntu ozothatha athi makabona ithuba ashaye. He's not that kind of player. Ozuna Paul is going to offer you that. But you can't tell me to get to Tsebang Murem over Mhaonkota. Mhaonkota is an international player now. Mhaonkota has scored important goals for Bafana Bafana. And we know what Mhaonkota is capable of. We know. Tsebang Murem, good player. We are not disputing that. But the past few games have exposed Tsebang Murem. Tsebang Murem uyayileka basic, if you are being honest. Mara because sometimes it's ukuba bias la South Africa ngesikhulume. He lacks basic Tsebang Murem. Kwesinye isikhathi ushoota kungamela shoot. Kwesinye isikhathi makumela push ibhola yalikhahlela lele limshiye. Tsebang Murem, you want to take that guy yodlala ngaye overseas. He's not a bad player, don't get me wrong, but he still has a lot to improve. He still has a lot to improve. Mina ukuphendula sibo. It's not about what I want. It's about who's fit to play for the national team. Where's Thembi Nkosi-Lorch? When Lorch came from Club World Cup, playing beautiful football, atribula abantu be-Man City, ashama goal ashisayo, beka yenza izinto zenzeke lapho uThembi Nkosi-Lorch akabizwanga uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. But when it's certain players, Hugo Broos ubona kahle this one can do no wrong, bafethu mthatheni lo yena he can do no wrong. It's not about who I think is fit for the national team. It's about who is on form, who is in good condition to go and represent at national level. And if awukhetwanga, better luck next time. Pull up your socks. Pull up your socks. The next time bazokubiza uhambe uyodlala laphaya. Man, Hugo Broos akameka kancane man. And this thing of him disrespecting our players. Makukhuluma thina niyashesha ngicwala kuma social media niyasithuka. Aba Hugo Broos nabakhuluma because yena ubuye Europe niyathula nina. Niyathula nina. Hugo Broos makakhuluma adelela ama player wethu niyathula. Hugo Broos makadelela South African football niyathula. Hugo Broos makenza imess lapha kubafana bafana niyathula. Anikhankasi the way thina nikhankasa ngathi ngakhona. Animthuki the way thina nisithuka nize nisithuke nangamacici wethu. Abanye nize nisithuke nangabazali bethu and abazali bethu anibazi. Nbiza inhlambe ezinzima la nthuka abazali bethu just because we are talking facts ngama team wenu. Namhlanje nithulile. And stupid supporters are celebrating ukuthi Sipho Chena akekho sesquadini. Ama supporter angalazi ibhola baya celebrate ukuthi Sipho Chena akekho sesquadini. It's like angiunderstand lento leyo abantu bayagcwele kuma social media baya scream kumnandi, hey Sipho Chena akekho sesquadini. Now Hugo Broos finally sees him for who he truly is just because certain players from your teams abekho. Because ama player wama team wena wakhethwanga niyajabula manje ukuthi akusona so. I'm an Orlando Pirates supporter, but I'm disappointed ukuthi Ikram Reyners is not in that squad. I'm disappointed ukuthi Grant Kekana is not in that squad. I'm disappointed ukuthi Matrapa, Thapelo Morena is not in that squad. I'm disappointed. Ngikhuluma ngabantu ababuye ukufukuzela i-national team. Abantu who have done exceptional for a national team. Yes, every player has mistakes. Mara ngicela ubala ama mistake waka Sibisi versus ama mistake waka Grant Kekana. Ama mistake waka Magoupa versus ama mistake waka Ikram Reyners. Ama mistake waka Muremi versus ama mistake waka Thapelo Morena. And then he goes and brings back Uthapelo Maseko. Uthapelo Maseko bafethu ugcine nini ukudlala. Mina bese ngikhohliwe nokuthi usasekhona. Mina bese ngimkhohli Uthapelo. I even forgot that guy still exists. Apparently he's playing somewhere overseas. Is he getting game time la suka khona na is the question that we should be asking. Njengoba now he's back to go represent at national level. Is he in good condition? Is he like umnandi nalo umuntu ukuthi ahamba ayodlala? Man Hugo Broos akameka kancane man. Hugo Broos akameka kancane angeke sithule. Ngamane nisibize nithi siyadelela nithi senzani. We won't keep quiet. Lo mchita lona mesa up ibhola lethu. Ibhola lethu lela limosha yithi sizoba sihlele ebusuku the whole night singalali lana sibhekelele bafana. Niyawazi ama hour le South America ukuthi asemuva kanjani? Uthola ukuthi game kick off izoba ngabo 2 ekseni. We're depriving ourselves of sleep. So basihleli lapha sithi we are behind our national team, supporting national team yethu, but we want our national team to have players who are fit enough to go compete at that level. What happened go AFCON ile favoritism futhi. Give every players a fair chance. If it means ukuthi mele kubizwa ama-player abathi trialani the whole day, now ama-trial, it's fine. And then every team will send players that they think are right to go for ama-trials. Rather kube njalo. Because mase sikhuluma ama-facts, sikhuluma amaqiniso, uThembi Nkosi-Lorch is better than uTshepang Muremi. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch better than uTshepang Muremi. He can offer you more than uTshepang Muremi. Ikram Reyners is 10 times better than uLyle Foster. Aloka dlala le eEngland. uLyle Foster naga akasondeli nakancane kuIkram Reyners aloka dlala le la dlala khona eEPL or in lamaliko abo lawo. Hlongwane lo mchita lona Hugo Bruce beka criticize iMLS abona kahle ukuthi it's not an important league, but he goes and calls up a player odlala kule league le yena athi ayibaleka nguyamthatha umlethe squadini. Mara Hugo bafethu I contradiction ale time alele umadala. I think I can't wait World Cup iphela vai. I honestly can't wait World Cup iphela vai. We have coaches nathi abalazi ibhola. Sinabo aboPitso Msimani. Yeah, CAF credited player coaches. But overqualified ukuthi bangawenza lo msebenzi ka Hugo Bruce. Rulani Mokwena overqualified ukuthi angawenza lo msebenzi ka Hugo Bruce. Kevin Hunt overqualified ukuthi angawenza lo msebenzi ka Hugo Bruce. We're talking about coaches that have given us some of the best players we've ever seen kule country le. We've seen abomthobi Mvala babita sidlala under Rulani Mokwena. We've seen incredible exceptional players. Abosibusiso Vilakazi babuye badlala phansi kwabo Pitso Msimani. Kevin Hunter enza izinto zenzeke lapha kuVets ngeintwana. We've seen exceptional talent like South Africa, and we've seen players abadlala ku PSL that play better than ama players adlala overseas. So madala angazi Europe bafethu akusi standard of football, by the way. Bazithathe bona bazpositiona as the standard yebhola. Bazithathe bona baziveza ngathi hey ibhola Europe is not the standard of football. Lama coach wase Europe masuka le Europe eza la South Africa, they want to change how we play. Then ama player wethu struggle. Ibhola silaziyo thina ile ladlalwa boSkarango bese. You look at ama video wakudala abo teenage ladla abo Jomo Sono bebayenza izinto zenzeke. That's our football. These Europeans came from labasuka khona beza labazo change ibhola lethu. Kwathi yeah, you don't achieve anything ngale bhola leli, mara abo teenage ladla bebashabo 4-0 5-0. iChiefs abaSkarango bese nabo Jabupule beshakwa sani with those players. Steve Likolia bebagijimisa abo Tottenham Hotspurs. Bezit maziza labo Manchester United abo Tottenham Hotspurs for Vodacom Challenge to play against Chiefs and Pirates bebabona movie. Shakes Kungana shama phasa bhekele ibhola lifike emntwini. That's our football. That's the identity of our football. Mara lama European basuka khona beza labazo change lento le. Babona ngathi bona bayayazi into abayenzayo. Babona ngathi bona ibhola labo yile kumele ukuthi sidlaliwe lamhlabeni lokuphela ibhola libalekile. Now, that's a very good question. The Scribbler, Bega, best question for the day. Which foreign coach has succeeded kuBafana Bafana? Only a South African born coach. A South African coach has succeeded kuBafana Bafana. Clive Parker, Waitata, Waiwini AFCON 1996. All foreign coaches have failed kuBafana Bafana. Foreign coaches have failed. It's enough. Isafa maisimamele manje. Asabafuni labantu laba. Aw.